Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing from Cateared Diamond Painting. Full disclosure, I also bought a pen from them, but I couldn't wait, so I've been using this. I really enjoy the shape. It does fit nicely in the hand, and at the moment I'm using it with a 4-placer and it's original. I just loved the peacock colours, so that was my little extra thing that I bought from them whilst I was shopping for this. But this is the main thing. I was inspired by 4 Kids at 147 because she did a mystery painting and I wanted to do one too. But it's taken me this long to figure it out. So let's have a look what's in the box. Is that everything? Yeah. Okay, so we have a clear, slightly sparkly diamond painting pen with a 3-placer and purple squishy. We've got the, what I would consider the medium white boat with spout. It's bigger than the green ones. We've got, I'm far too excited about this, a caddy that looks like a macaroon. So I'm excited to try this. It does just seem to be your standard wax in there, but we'll see. You can never tell. And let's have a look. So this is my picture. Obviously it's a mystery painting, so I don't know. So the canvas itself is just symbols. Ooh, there we go. Which are entirely alphanumeric. We've got numbers 1 to 9, and then A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, no I, J, K, L, no M, N, O, P, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y. So that's 30 colours. Hopefully I'm not going to go cross-eyed doing this. But I'm looking forward to it. So, canvas is incredibly sticky. And the size, just check. Bring this over to my ruler. It is 30 by 30. Gosh, that is stuck on there. Not so much that side. There we go. Don't know what's going on with that corner. Okay, so drills. Anyone that actually knows me will know that I'm very excited about these colours. I'm a purple girl. So let's get into it. I'm loving the fact that they're in baggies. No need to put up into separate containers if you don't want to. Let's just look at the quality. So we've got 939, which is bag number 24. Just looking, I do have 310. I was thinking I didn't have any 310, but I do. Sorry, the light's not great for this. It's reflecting. That looks lovely. So let's just check the 310 if I can find it. It's a tiny amount. Oh my goodness, it's nothing. Nothing at all. So yeah, so colours wise, as it's a mystery, we don't know what the picture is, but we can have a look at the colours. We have got every shade of purple in the DMC. It's just, they're all here. One in there still. So, lots of different shades of purple and lilac. A little bit of brown, some grey, different greys. We've got the 939, which is that lovely dark blue. 3371, which I think is a really dark brown, like a chocolate, dark chocolate brown. Oh, we've got a selection of browns here, so some neutrals. There's our 310. More pinks and pinky purples. 550, which I love. And then, gosh, that's a big bag there. So that is another lilac-y, pinky lilac. 154 is a really nice colour as well. So, yeah, I've no idea what it's going to be, but I'm happy with the colour scheme. So, we will see. I don't know when I'm going to get to start on this one. It's going to be one that I probably fit in between doing other projects, as I'm working on a huge Mandy Manzano canvas at the moment, which is a so I will pop all the pricing details and where to get a hold of Cateared products into the comments, into the description, and yeah, hopefully I can do a little bit and then we can all have a guess at what you think it might be. In fact, if you've already got an idea, do down in the comments, pop me a note, let me know what you think it might be based on the colours. I don't know yet, remains to be seen. So yeah, that's all there is from me today. Please do leave a like.